Hello friends, today I will be discussing about pain modulation. It is pain perception variability, the degree to which a person reacts to pain. Pain modulation is influenced by endogenous mechanism and exogenous mechanism, facilitation, peripheral sensitization and central sensitization. Inhibition, nociceptive input can be inhibited by spinal inhibition, gate control theory, supraspinal modulation, special pain control analgesic system, and pain modulation by opioid neurotransmitters as endorphin, enkephalin, and dynorphin. Gate theory of pain control. Special neurons in the dorsal horn of spinal cord (SGR) form the gate through which pain impulses must pass to reach the brain. This gate has the ability to block the signals from A delta and C fibers, preventing them from reaching the brain. Gate opened or closed by three factors. Activity in the pain fibers opens the gate, activity in other sensory nerves closes the gate, and messages from the brain also altered the gate function. It is controlled by A delta fibers conducting fast pain, C fibers for slow pain, and A beta fibers that are concerned with light touch. Gate theory of pain control is specialized nerve impulses arise in brain itself and travel down the spinal cord to influence the gate. This is called the central control trigger, and it can send both inhibitory and excitatory messages to the gate, sensitizing it to either C or A beta fibers. The inhibitory neurons make a pain blocking agent called enkephalin. It is an opiate substance similar to heroin which can block substance P, the neurotransmitter from C fibers, and this keeps the gate closed. The gate theory explains the pain relief by skin rubbing, shaking the painful part, acupuncture, and transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation. All are supposed to stimulate mechanoreceptors that activate neurons of dorsal column, the collaterals that relieve the pain. Impulses coming along the C fibers cause the release of substance P from these fibers, which tend to open the gate. When impulses coming along A beta fibers tend to keep the gate closed by the process of presynaptic inhibition of C fibers and postsynaptic inhibition of secondary neurons in the dorsal horn. The gate will open if the impulses in C and A delta fibers are stronger than A beta fibers, and closed if the impulses in A beta fibers are stronger than C and A delta fibers. It is interesting to note that A delta fibers are always stronger than A beta fibers and C fibers. Supraspinal modulation. This is a specific system that blocks pain transmission in CNS. It consists of periaqueductal gray region and periventricular areas, raphe magnum nucleus, and pain inhibitory complex. It is also known as special pain control analgesic system. The periaqueductal gray and periventricular areas of the mesencephalon and upper pons surround the aqueduct of Sylvius and portions of third and fourth ventricle. Raphe magnum nucleus, a thin midline nucleus located in the lower pons and upper medulla, and the nucleus reticularis paragigantocellularis, located laterally in the medulla. Pain inhibiting complex is in dorsal horn of spinal cord. It consists of multiple short encephalonergic neurons that terminate on the central endings of pain conducting efferent fibers. When stimulated, encephalon is released and it causes pre and post synaptic inhibition of pain transmission, and thus analgesia is produced. Opioid receptor modulation. Opioid peptides are morphine-like substances present in body. They are natural analgesic substances that act by binding to opioid receptors in analgesic system and dorsal horn of spinal cord on central ending of pain conducting fibers. Mechanism of neurotransmitter action. Endorphin. Neurons using endorphin or enkephalin are found in PAG, where they inhibit GABAergic interneurons that normally suppress anti-nociceptor neurons. Enkephalin. It is used by interneurons in lamina 2, which is responsible for inhibiting lamina 1 nociceptor specific spinothalamic neurons. Dynorphin. It is used in hypothalamus, PAG reticular formation, and the dorsal horn. Endogenous morphine. In terminals forming synapses with neuron having mu-opioid receptors in the pain modulating pathways. Analgesia occurs as follows. The thalamus, hypothalamus, cerebral cortex send neuronal signals to the periaqueductal gray area. PAG projects neuron containing aspartate and glutamate which stimulate RMN. RMN projects serotonergic neuron in addition to noradrenergic neurons, and this causes blocking of the pain signals by activating the pain inhibiting complex. Now this is the summary of pain modulation. Thank you friends. If you like my video, then share my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the further updates. Thank you.